And Malacanang assures that the president continues to recover from his right wrist injury. Presidential spokesman Edmund Lasierda says the wrist injury is not serious, although the president wears a wristband from time to time.
Napatanong po ni Ms. Vance kung napano daw po ba talaga. Can you give us details?
Napanahon pa yun nung relief efforts nung ano. Remember, he was sa dami ng... Nangyari pa yun nung habagat. He was giving out for 3 days relief goods for about 3 to 5 kilos for 3 days yun. Nabugbog. Tapos, sinabihan, I think, akala niya mawawala yung sakit. Hindi ho, apparently it worsened. So, nung pumunta siya sa doktor, sinabi ng doktor lagyan ng brace. Matagal na yun, July pa yata.
Sir, so hindi siya fractured talaga?
Hindi siya
na magalang gano'n?
Parang tennis elbow ang sakit. He described it like a tennis elbow, yung sakit.
Pero sir, yun yung same arm na pinapa-therapy niya, di ba?
Hindi ko alam kung same arm niya. Basta alam ko doon sa relief.
So hindi naman seryoso yung nangyari?
No, hindi naman.
But
mahirap lang pumirma.
The brace still?
Mahirap lang pumirma. Ang description ni President, pag nakasuot yung brace when he's signing, medyo mahirap lang.
Gaano katagal